Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from EV Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters. And today we're going to talk about armor plating the bottom of your Rivian R1S or R1T. You may remember that we were the first to bring a real high quality rock slider and running board to the Rivian, and now we're taking it to the next level. Consider this a must-have for protecting your Rivian. First, this Rivian comes with what I'm going to call a dust shield. This is just really thin plastic that's bolted on the bottom of the front of your Rivian underneath the drive motor. Yeah, this is just a plastic dust shield. There's no protection, no strength to this. This is simply covering and keeping dust off the bottom of the truck. We simply remove this unbolts, and then we bolt on our skid plate, this armor plating. It's a two-piece plate that bolts on up front underneath the drive motor, and this is a super slick design. This is CNC water jetted out, then it's press brake formed, and it's just a bulletproof 1/4 inch thick aluminum plate, lightweight, that bolts on. No modifications, no permanent changes to the Rivian. 1/4 inch aluminum plate. This is going to give you incredible protection. We include the hardware. This is a DIY thing. You bolt it on underneath here, and wow, now we've got true protection for the front of the Rivian and the drive motor. Run this thing over rocks, take it off-road, do whatever you want to do. Now that we've got the protection sorted out, that's the end of that thing. All right, everybody, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and come back soon. We've got a lot more upgrades for your Rivian coming to you soon.